Okay, so here's that King Ranch. They told me, I mean, there's some high dollar stuff in this thing. They told me an NFL football player had it built. And I mean, the tires come up to my waist. Got some lots of chrome. I mean, this thing ain't no joke. Check out that rear end. Big old diesel pipe. That thing there, you can put a, I don't know if a basketball fit in there, but damn close. Look at these horns up under here. Anyway, see if I can get you inside the bed. Oh, it's a tonneau cover, okay. But it is for sale. Obviously, it's not an off-road machine. This is a show truck. And something like this is going to require being left inside, and of course it's going to require a lot of cleaning, a lot of constantly cleaning, maintaining it. About the only thing it don't have is a winch. You see that little surface rust on the cylinders down there. You can clean that up. Right there. That's just surface rust for the most part. Might be a pit or two. Anyway, there she is. A whole lot of truck. If you want something to wow them at the car show, I'd haul it with a flatbed. It is an F350. And I'm always positive it's a diesel. Oh, look at that. That drops down. Yeah, a little dirty. Yeah, they bought it as a to put out there on the road to showcase it. Get attention getter, so to speak. But they're ready to let it go. It needs to move on down the road. Let's take a look at these tires and wheels. Specialty forged. The tires. Bogger. Yeah, let's see if we can find the size on here. It's probably upside down. Over here it's got super, what does that say? Super swampers. Oh, show me a size right there. So it's upside down, I figured it would be. 19.5 by 44, 26 LT. Tubeless. Big old tire. It's street legal, so look at that. Even the disc brake calipers. I mean, this is a nice truck. It's a lot of money spent on this thing. Look how deep this wheel is. God, no, got to be 9-10 inches deep right there. Cool truck.